Managing guest houses and safety measures for staff and guests have become quite challenging in the present day scenario. With limited physical touchpoints, it is difficult for companies to give assurance of a comfortable stay and delightful experience to all the guests visiting the guest house. But having a tool that helps manage the guest house operations will be critical in making sure the operation runs smoothly by creating a great first impression. With the help of QuickFMS guest house management software, you can enhance your guest experience and expand your business by automating the day-to-day functioning of guest houses and handling all the tasks with a single software. It helps save time and offers quick and efficient online booking services. Our guest house management software is a calendar-based tool for managing reservations or bookings not only for the guest houses or service apartments, but also for other types of accommodation an organization has in its property portfolio, and organize them into different groups with a simple online booking system. With our guest house and apartment management software, users can easily book their preferred facilities and amenities in the required date and time slot from the calendar, email intimation to all the participants. User can modify and cancel their booking, add or modify any details or information for the premises, guest house rooms or facilities. Users can see the particular block as withheld for the time period and cannot make bookings. Easy user check-in and check-out procedures. Easily review a history of the bookings and reservations. Any organization can effectively book rooms for their employees through the enhanced transparency in real time. No more manual bookings through calls and emails. Ensure the availability of guest house rooms with our ultimate room booking solution. Contact us to request a free demo presentation and experience what makes QuickFMS guest house management software so special.